Welcome to John Lewis 3D Learning. In this presentation, we are going to see chemical changes and reactions. The topic is uses of neutralization reaction. So we are going to see some of the uses of neutralization reactions. In the last video, we had seen what is meant by neutralization reaction and some examples of neutralization reactions. Here we are going to see uses. Okay, first of all, so stung by a bee. So when we are stung by a bee, the place starts itching, no? And we start scratching that place. Why it happens? Because when a bee stings, what happens? It injects formic acid into our body. So therefore it starts itching, and therefore in order to neutralize that, what we are doing, we are rubbing slaked lime. Slaked lime means what? Calcium hydroxide or baking soda. What is baking soda? Sodium bicarbonate. Okay, you should know formula for all these things. Okay, what is slaked lime? Slaked lime is calcium hydroxide. So what will be the formula? Apply the symbols and valency rules here for calcium hydroxide. CaOH, calcium valency 2, hydroxide valency 1. Therefore if you interchange, you will get CaOH twice. What is baking soda? Sodium bicarbonate. Na, sodium bicarbonate is HCO3. Valency 1 1. Therefore if you interchange, you get NaHCO3. So that will be the formula baking soda. So whenever you get a chance or whenever you see a chemical name, try to write the chemical formula correctly. Only then the basics, you can strengthen your basics in order to get the formulas correctly. Okay, so what is the acid injected when a bee stung? Formic acid is injected into our body. That is why it is itching. And what we are doing in order to cure that, we are applying or rubbing slaked lime. We are applying some base on it. So such as slaked lime or baking soda. Okay, what is the second application of neutralization reaction? Stomach gland. So stomach gland secretes what acid? Hydrochloric acid. So when hydrochloric acid is in excess, no, in our stomach, we get irritating smell inside the stomach. Therefore that is the time what we do. So we are given milk of magnesia, that is magnesium hydroxide. Milk of magnesia is nothing but magnesium hydroxide. So hydrochloric acid is an acid, milk of magnesia is a weak base, so it's a base you can consider. Therefore that neutralizes that acid. That is why the irritating or the burning sensation is we will not get afterwards. In order to neutralize that burning sensation, we are giving milk of magnesia when hydrochloric acid secreted in stomach gland is in excess. Suppose there is a deficiency in hydrochloric acid, what we do? So we take mild organic acids, so like citric acid, malic acid, like lemon juice, orange juice, and then apple juice, all these things we are taking. So that compensate for the lack of hydrochloric acid in the stomach. Is it clear? Okay, next one. Acid spill on clothes or body. If any acid, see suppose hydrochloric acid spill, sulfuric acid spill on our skin, what will happen? That will burn our entire skin. Absolutely. Okay. So what is the anti medicine for that? So we have to give, or we have to neutralize that acid, no? Therefore we need to add some base there. So ammonia solution can be added. So it is used only for mild accidents like that. Suppose more acids are filled on that, so you should not pour ammonia. So we have to take them to doctor immediately and medical attention should be given. So it is only spill on clothes or body. Okay, small amount of acid spill on our skin. Only then ammonia solution can be rubbed on the place where acid spilled on our body or any clothes. Okay, next one, soil. See, some soils will be acidic in nature. They will be not suitable for plants growth. So that will be acidic in nature. Therefore what we need to do in order to neutralize that one, we need to add some base. That is what is such as slaked lime, no? They are added in order to make that soil neutral. Okay, when soil is acidic in nature, that may not be suitable for plants to grow. That is why we need to neutralize by adding slaked lime Already we know what is Laker lime, calcium hydroxide. So there are many more applications of neutralization reactions in our day-to-day activities. So just to know how important neutralization reaction is, knowingly or unknowingly, so we are experiencing that neutralization reaction every day in our life. So these are all some of the examples. Okay, hope you liked it and you enjoyed learning with me. Please click the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching. Until we meet next time, bye bye.